Hey everybody, welcome to part 3 of the Hunger tutorial from Amaranthe. This is the last part of the song, and then it just repeats into the chorus. So, what we're going to look at here is the solo, which can be a little tricky because of the speed that he uses. A lot of legato, and yeah, so let's jump right into it. Okay. So before the actual official solo starts, he does a quick legato that'll end up on the 9th fret here. So that quick legato starts off on the low E. So we're going to start 3rd fret, hammer onto the 5th, then hammer onto the 7th. Okay, and then we're going to do the same on the A string, same fret pattern, and then we're going to do on the D string, the 4th, hammer onto the 5th, hammer onto the 7th. Then we're going to jump up a little bit on the neck to the 5th fret of the A string, hammer onto the 7th, hammer onto the 9th. Then we're going to do the same on the D string, same frets 5, 7, and 9. And then to the 4th fret of the G string, to the 5th fret of the D string, G, sorry, to the 7th. Then we're going to go down to the, repeating that same fret pattern, 4, 5, and 7. This will be on the D string. Back up to the G string, same frets, 4, 5, and 7. And then you're going to slide up to the 9th, and that's where the actual full solo actually starts. So slowly, that whole, legato is going to sound like this. Now, he does it at a very, very fast speed, so listen to the song to get the correct tempo, and just keep trying that, and it's not really a very hard legato, it's just a lot of finger stretching. Okay, so once we slide up to this 9th, we have that little section. So we're gonna, which is a 9th fret on the D, to the 9th fret of the G, to the 11th fret, you're going to slide up to the 11th fret of the G and do a half bend, like a half step bend, which will actually sound like the 12th fret of the G. Okay? And then to end that sequence, he hits the 14th fret, well, starts on the 14th fret of the low E string and slides all the way down to the 1st. And then that's when he starts legato. More legato that's insanely quick. So that legato section is going to be the 9th, 10th, and 12th on the low E string. And then the 9th, 10th, and 12th on the A, another 9, 10, and 12 on the D, a 9, 11, and 12 to a 10 on the G, on the B, a 10, 12, and 13 on the B, and then a 10, 12, 14 on the high E. Now, ending that sequence, when you hit that 14th, you immediately want to bend a half step. So you're actually not really it's not going to sound like you're hitting that 14. It's going to sound like you're actually hitting the 15 because the bend. You're going to hit the bend immediately. So that whole little phrase. And then that immediately is going to roll into the 15th fret of the high E, to the 17th fret, and you're going to do another half step bend on the 17th, and you're going to kind of want to make that sound like two notes. So you're going to half step the bend and release back to the 17th. And then another little fast part right at the end, really high up on the neck, is a 21st fret on the G to the 19th fret of the B to the 20th fret of the B to the 22nd fret of the B. And then we're going to repeat that 19, 20, 22 on the high E, and then end on the 24th fret. So there you go. That is the solo for Amaranthe. Hunger by Amaranthe. Don't forget to listen to the song to see the tempo at which it's played. And thanks for watching, and please enjoy.